बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने डीसी जनरेटर के थ्योरी कवर की थी और इसमें हम अब इसके डीसी जनरेटर के एमसीक्यूज कवर करेंगे, जितने भी एमसीक्यूज इसके होंगे। चलिए जी स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहला एमसीक्यूज है, द योक ऑफ डीसी मशीन इज मेड अप ऑफ cast steel. The armature of DC machine is made up of silicon steel. Coupling field between the electrical and mechanical system of DC machine is a magnetic field. The rear vertical part of DC machine is a armature winding. Dash DC machines are most common. 4-port DC machines are most common. The armature winding of DC machine is placed on the rotor to facilitate communication. The yoke of DC machine carries pulse flux, one half of the pulse flux. 4-port DC machine has dash magnetic circuit 4. The phase structure of DC machine uses silent pole arrangement. Small DC machines generally have 2 poles. The armature of DC machine is laminated in order to reduce eddy current loss. The current in armature connector of DC machine is AC. The greatest eddy current loss occur in the dash of DC machine. Armature, the plus voltage drop in DC machine is about 2 volt. Copper brushes are used in DC machine because carbon lubricate and polishes the commutator. The armature winding of DC machine is a closed circuit. Winding. The commutator pitch for simplex Valère winding is equal to is equal to 1. In simplex wave winding, the number of parallel paths is equal to 2. Number of parallel paths in simplex wave winding is equal to number of poles. The relation among the commutator pitch YC, front pitch YF and back pitch YB is a algebraic difference of YF and YB. In DC machine, the number of commutator segment is equal to number of coils. The nature of armature winding of DC machine is decided by commutator pitch. High voltage DC machine use dash winding. Wave winding. In wave winding, number of brushes required is equal to number of poles. In wave winding, commutator pitch is approximately equal to twice the pole pitch. For a given number of poles greater than 2 and armature connected, lap winding will carry more current than wave winding. An 8-pole 250 volt wave wound generator has 400 conductor. If generator is to be lap wound, the number of conductor required is 80 multiplied 40 over 2. So 1600. An 8-pole duplex lap winding will have dash parallel path, 16 parallel path. A triplex wave winding will have parallel path 6. For a given DC generator, the generated voltage depends upon the both speed and flux. A 6-pole live-wound generator has 300 conductors. The EMF induced per conductor being 5 volt. The generated voltage of generator is 250. For the same rating, DC machine has dash and AC machine more weight than AC machine. The field winding of DC shunt machine usually carries dash of field current of machine 2 to 5%. A separately excited DC generator is not used because separate DC source is required for field circuit. A DC compound generator having full load terminal voltage equal to the no load voltage is called flat compounded. The main drawback of DC shunt generator is that terminal voltage drop considerably with load. DC machines which are subjected to abrupt changing of load are provided with interposed winding. Terminal voltage of a dash generator varies widely with change in load. Series generator. The effect of armature reaction is to decrease the total flux. In DC generator armature reaction, dash pole tip weakens the flux at leading pole tip. The size of DC generator can be reduced by using magnetic material of high permeability. Hysteresis loss in DC generator is directly proportional to speed. The physical size of 100 kilowatt 2000 rpm generator is dash that of 10 kilowatt 200 rpm generator, about the same as. Dash together are stair losses, iron losses and mechanical losses are called stair losses. The armature conductor of 6-pole live-wound DC generator are divided into 3 parallel paths. The efficiency of DC generator is maximum when its variable loss is equal to constant loss. If the flux per pole of DC generator is halved but its speed is double, its generated EMF will remain the same. Stair losses consist of magnetic and mechanical loss. In DC generator, the main function of compensating winding is to reduce the distortion effect of armature reaction. The efficiency of DC generator means its overall efficiency. The overall efficiency of DC generator is maximum when its variable loss is equal to constant loss. In DC shunt generator, the constant losses are equal. In DC generator, the constant losses are equal to stray losses plus shunt copper loss. In non-shunt compound wound generator, a shunt field is connected in parallel with the series combination of armature and series field. Wave wound generator provide less current but more voltage. The commutator of DC generator act as a rectifier. ये अल्टरनेटिव करंट को डायरेक्ट करंट में कन्वर्ट करता है. In DC generator, eddy current power loss is directly proportional to square of thickness of each lamination. In short shunt compound wound generator, shunt field is connected in parallel with armature. The copper loss is constant. Copper loss is constant for shunt generator only. Copper loss is constant for both shunt and compound generators. In practical DC generator, mechanical efficiency is more than electrical efficiency. ये फार्मूला थीटा मैकेनिकल इज इक्वल टू 2 थीटा इलेक्ट्रिकल ओवर पी. In DC generator, relation among the mechanical efficiency, electrical efficiency, and overall efficiency is overall efficiency is equal to efficiency of electrical multiplied efficiency of mechanical. Armature copper loss in DC generator is a variable loss. Armature reaction in DC generator can be increased by increasing the armature current. Due to armature inaction, the main pole flux of DC generator is weakened as well as distorted. Open circuit characteristics of DC generator is also called its magnetic characteristics. The line representing the critical resistance of DC generator is dashed its open circuit characteristics. Just stretches its open circuit characteristics, which the following generator provides approximately constant voltage from no load to full load flat compound generator. A shunt generator gives its latest voltage at no load. The level of compounding in commutatively compound DC generator is generally adjusted by changing the series field current. The DC generator has forest voltage regulation. Is series generator. If P is the number of poles of generator and N is the armature speed in RPM, then the frequency of magnetic repulsor is NPO 120. If the value of shunt field resistance of a shunt generator is greater than the critical resistance, the generator will fail to excite. Open circuit characteristics of DC generator is also called its external characteristics. In cumulatively compound generator, shunt and series field add each other, which of following not prevent self-excited shunt generator from building up into full load. No residual magnetism. Which of following will not prevent a self-excited shunt generator from building up to its full voltage, speed too high. The curve showing relation between the terminal voltage and load current IL of DC generator is called its external characteristics. Current curves time versus time graph of an ideal commutation is a straight line. Ideal commutation in a coil is only possible because each coil is not possible because each coil has inductance. In the multipolar DC machine for the same value of phi z at any armature, in multipolar DC machine for the same value of phi z at any armature EMF is more for wave than lap winding. Dummy coil in DC generator are useful for mechanically balanced armature. Fleming right hand rule is applicable to DC generator. Fleming left hand rule applicable to DC motors. Commutator and DC machines can convert AC to DC, DC to AC, both 1 and 2. A cumulatively compounded DC generator is supplying 20 ampere at 200 volt now. If the series field winding is short circuited, the entire terminal voltage will become less than 200 volt. In series wound DC machine, generator of motor series field winding consists of. In series field wound DC machine generator, the series field winding consists of few turns of thick wire. In shunt wound DC machine generator or motor, the shunt field winding consists of many turns of thin wire. DC generator beyond critical field resistance will generate no voltage. In arc welding, in order to obtain steady arc, one should use DC differentially compound generator. The voltage regulation of DC generator is zero. This implies that generator is flat compounded. उम्मीद है कि ये MCQs आपके लिए इलेक्ट्रिकल के जितने भी टेस्ट होंगे उनके लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल साबित होंगे। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें। इसकी थ्योरी की जो थी पोर्शन वो मैंने अलग लेक्चर में अपलोड किया है, वो भी आप देख सकते हैं, मेरे चैनल पर ही अपलोडेड है। शुक्रिया।